Hello and welcome to Eunice Cooking. Yes, guys, today I am going to be making stew peas with smoked turkey neck, beef, and chicken foot. Yes, let's get the party started. I'm on board with the cooking of the peas, the turkey neck, and the beef. I wash my beef with some lemon and vinegar and also my turkey neck. My turkey neck, I take out the membrane of it that's in the center and I cut the skin off. I also had some pimento berry and garlic for it to start the cooking process. After 30 minutes, I'm going to add my chicken feet that I trim the toes off, scald it a little bit, wash it with lime and vinegar, and now adding it to the pot. I let it cook for about 25 minutes and then I add some coconut milk to the pot. This I'm gonna allow until the peas is tender. In the meantime, I'm going to be making some spinners on the side to put in. I tested my peas and it's nice and soft and cooked. Now I am going to add my final seasoning, which consists of some garlic, pimento berry, scallion, thyme, onion, a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. I also cut up a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper and ginger to put it in there to give it more flavor, just for taste. I also put all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, and some vegetable seasoning as well. Now this, I am going to let it simmer down for about another half an hour. Yeah, man. And that should be it. My nice stew peas with turkey neck and beef and also my chicken foot. Guys, please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And if you did not subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? This is it, guys. It's all done. Perfect. I taste it and it's perfect. Delicious. It's a good day to have a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.